What's up guys, welcome to When You Learn Chinese, when you find learning Chinese difficult, when you makes it easy for you. In our channel, we will help you learn Chinese in a fun, easy, and practical way. Click the subscribe and bell buttons below so that you won't miss our mini lessons in the future. In today's grammar lesson, we're going to learn a very useful grammar structure. This is for beginner or HSK1 level. We will learn how to express to, so, or really with Thai plus adjective or adverb plus了 in a real-life conversation. There are 4 parts in a lesson, and we will go through one by one. Now, let's get started. 让我们开始吧。
这么巧啊！我正好在迪拜也有些业务，我们看日后是不是？
他在一家跨国公司当 CFO。
哦，对，你说这时代发展的太快了哈！99年那会儿谁能想到，现在都能做 UFO 了是吧？跟外星人都能接轨了，真是的。陆先生真的是高科技人才啊！
高科技里边的富豪啊，老公。
对，你说这时代发展的太快了，太快了，太快了。
Thai plus adjective or adverb plus了 it is a common and simple way to express the meaning of to or excessively. In this structure, the adjectives or adverbs, namely describing words, are placed between Thai and le. This expression or structure is one of the key grammar patterns with the particle le. In many grammar books or resources, Thai adjective le is translated as too or too much. It is partially correct, but too much normally indicates a negative emotion or result. However, depending on the context, this set phrase can mean so, very, too, or excessively. Question: which of the following statements is correct about the structure Thai, adjective or adverb le? Actually, this structure can be used in both negative contexts, such as complaints, and positive ones, like compliments. Let's take a look one by one. It is true that this phrase is very often used to indicate the negative feeling, especially when people complain about something. For example, 中文太难了，中文太难了，中文太难了。Let's have a look at the similar usage in other movies.
王主任，你看看，这是你搞错了。
没搞错。
这也太贵了，那成衣才8万块钱。
那你上从医去，别在我们这儿做。
你不是权威吗？这也太贵了，这也太贵了，太贵了。
那2年齐国有功，做过日料，甚至还去做过人体模特。
麻烦控制一下。
不好意思，昨晚看球睡太晚了。昨晚看球睡太晚了。昨晚看球睡太晚了。太晚了。
哦，800。
刚才没装上是吧？
哦。
来，撞太久了，我抱你，800。
救命啊！
来，这来，撞太久了，撞太久了，
太久了。
只有一种可能，凶手当时应该就站在那儿。这是凶手第一次使用吸附案，他应该没有空场用量，所以当死者肾脏被摘取后，他醒过来了。
太前沿了，太前沿了，太前沿了。
她是我老婆，我就是县长，我就是马邦德。
你呀，太年轻了。 不该一进城就枪毙马匪，他们一定会报复你的。不哭，不哭。你呀，太年轻了。你呀，太年轻了，太年轻了。
Now you can see how common it is for native speakers to use this structure in their conversations. It is clear that in all of these examples, people use太 adjective or adverb 了 to emphasize the negative feeling or complain of what has happened. But the same exact pattern can be also used in positive contexts. It is frequently used when people give compliments or to exclaim how good something is. In this case, it can be translated as so, very, or really. For example, 中国菜太好吃了。中国菜太好吃了。中国菜太好吃了。Check some examples in other movies.
Girls, they clean you up. We're gonna have some fun tonight, boy. Shit, don't fucking lie to me.
嘿，我操！我操！我操！怎么在这儿还能碰到你啊？死去哪儿，郭坤？太巧了！混得不错嘛！太巧了！太巧了！太巧了！
不生个气了？
生什么气啊？
是我凶你。
我想通了，这6000万，搁谁能了这儿？
你说的太对，小邢就凭你这句话，你记得，以后有哥的肉席绝对有你的汤喝。你说的太对，你说的太对，太对。
我工作以来从来没有算错过任何一笔账，我不会因为你而破例的。
太好了，那我就能甩开膀子干了。就怕你这后院情。
谁是你后院？
太好了，太好了，太好了。
我觉得这个陆先生跟你还是真般配呀。不好意思，我现在就是太高兴了，真的，陆先生，我跟小娇呢，大学时就是特别好的朋友。我现在就是太高兴了，我现在就是太高兴了，太高兴了。
However, bear it in mind though, sometimes native speakers will often omit or remove the l at the end to make the sentence more concise and the tone firmer. For example, 中文太难了 can be changed into 中文太难 with the l at the end removed. Check how native speakers do this with other examples in movies.
预祝剿匪凯旋，180万，马上送来。
哎，无功不受禄，现在收钱太早。
大玉，请问。
哎，大哥，美女我也不能要。
哎，美女不要，钱你也不要，你要什么呀？
现在收钱太早，现在收钱太早，太早。
放开我！
我答应过阿伟，不会让你有事。回去太危险。
回去太危险，太危险。
We have learned how to use 太 adjective or adverb 了 in both positive or negative contexts. Now let's learn the negative form of this structure. Question: which of the following sentences is the correct negative form of 中文太难了? Like most negation in Chinese, you need to add the negation word 不 in front of it, and the word 了 at the end must be removed in the negation. So, to negate the sentence 中文太难了, we need to add 不 in front of 太 and remove 了 at the end. Therefore, we got the sentence of negation 中文不太难. 中文不太难. Watch some movie clips to see how Chinese use such pattern of negation.
回去吃饭吧。
哦，
师傅走了，走了，师傅。
这么少啊，那我们怎么办啊？
没办法，你也知道现在经济条件不太好，徒弟既然开了口，我身为师傅，难道不帮忙吗？
那只有让房东太太帮一下忙了。
你也知道现在经济条件不太好。
来正好，下桌。
刚才庄强和大聪明动用了大笔资金，我觉得不太正常。你看一下。
今天咱不聊工作，咱们聊点风花雪月。
我觉得不太正常。我觉得不太正常。不太正常。
还让你们跟我讲话，能不能把口罩摘了？我都看不清谁是谁，懂不懂规矩？
勇哥，这是有菌环境，他们都不太方便。
有菌环境是吧？行啊，那就都带着吧。
这是有菌环境，他们都不太方便。这是有菌环境，他们都不太方便。不太方便。
这么巧啊！我正好在迪拜也有些业务，我们看日后是不是？
他在一家跨国公司做任务。
哦，对，你这时代发展的太快了哈。99年那会儿，谁能想到现在都能做 UFO 了，是吧？跟外星人都能接轨了，真是的。
陆先生真的是高科技人才啊！
高科技里边的富豪啊，老公。
Thanks for your watching. 太感谢了. Like our video to show your support. Leave your comments below and let us know which movie you want to learn Chinese with. Also, you can tell us which Chinese grammar 太难了 in your learning. Follow our social media for more learning content in different platforms. 再见.